Alright, everybody, here's the Waterloo Boy. Here we go. Y'all can read it. 1917 Waterloo Boy tractor. Alright, here we go. Let's check. This thing is very odd. They have a spot for the kerosene. So we're going to do a long video on this one so you can see every detail on this. I've never seen this in my life. But let's go, let's check it out. Oh yes, the good old steering with chain. You gotta love that. Holy moly, that is awesome. Kerosene tractor, y'all. That amazing. All right, everybody, there you go. There's the Waterloo Boy tractor. There's one nice looking kerosene run tractor. All right, everybody, hit that subscribe button. See ya.